Filipino in USA. Choose to have dual citizenship.
Here is their oath. I am Filipino.
You state your name. Solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and obey the laws and legal orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines, and I hereby declare that I recognize and accept the supreme authority of the Philippines and will maintain true faith and allegiance thereto, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Ilagay po natin ang kanang kamay sa kaliwang dibdib.
Awitin natin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Filipino.
Ang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayan ng makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. Congratulations!